The Zonesun ZSFAL18011 is an automatic isobaric filling and packaging line designed for carbonated beverage cans, integrating convincing, turnover conveying, isobaric filling, cap positioning, and magnetic torque capping into a streamlined high-speed workflow. Operating at up to 2,000 cans per hour, the system uses specialized diaphragm valves, automatic liquid level control, and no-can-no-fill protection to ensure accurate filling, hygienic processing, and stable sealing performance. Suitable for soda, sparkling water, flavored drinks, beer, energy drinks, and other CO2-infused beverages.